Hi, I'm Dylan Jones.
And I'm Bo.Lan Songvisava. Join us as we travel to Thailand.
And we share our food secrets and how to cook Thai food.
This is about making Thai food at home with understanding, and it will be delicious.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is the hot and sour soup of plakang. Plakang is a red tail catfish.
Yeah, Asian red tail.
Catfish.
It's a freshwater fish. You're gonna start
I'm going to start bruising all the ingredients.
Right?
But one thing we want to mention is galangal. It's an optional extra for tom yum, and it's not something that needs to be in there.
It's sort of an old saying that if you want to do the tom yum, put takai or the lemongrass in.
Yeah.
And if you want to do the tom kha, which is the coconut based soup with galangal, you put tom kha in so you don't mix the two together.
So we're going to do like 5 shallots, yeah?
Yeah?
One coriander root. And the thing is with tom yum, you want to bruise everything. It's going to let the oils out. A lot of times you see them, they slice everything.
Yeah.
Unnecessary.
Bruising is heaps better.
It is. 3 stalks of lemongrass.
Yep. And I put like about 4 and 5 leaves of curlam leaf in already.
So we're just going to simmer that until the vegetables are softened slightly, yeah?
With the chili, you don't want to put it all in. You probably start with like 3 chili.
Yeah.
And then when we serve, we're just gonna put a little bit more for the fragrance.
Yeah, so I'm going to put 3 bird's eyes and 3 scuds.
Okay.
We'll just let that simmer for about 3 minutes.
And then I'm gonna just add like a kitchen spoon
Yeah.
of fish sauce.
Probably about 1.5, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce.
So in this tom yum, we try our best not to put any sugar.
Yeah.
Hopefully the sweetness comes from the shallot.
Start with the juice of 2
Pretty big.
limes.
Yeah. With tom yum, it's essential to season it with the lime.
Yeah. So we'll get the fish in there.
Yeah.
The plakang.
So nice boiling.
So it's just been sliced nicely and evenly so it cooks in like a reasonably quick, probably 1 minute to cook. Yeah, the fish is quite a soft flesh, so you don't need to cook it for a long, long time. Okay, so I'm just going to bruise 4 bird's eye chilies.
Hot enough to make a tom yum.
Yeah. I'm going to put them in the bowl so they're nice and fragrant and fresh.
Lime juice in the bowls as
What
well.
I'll do is I'll squeeze just 1 lime to start with, just so then we can add more later if we need to. And drop of fish sauce.
Yep. Well, it's come back to the boil again, so I think the fish is ready. We're just gonna put the kapao.
Yeah, I'm going to put the coriander in the bowl, ready?
Yeah.
So we've got holy basil, because it's fish we're using holy basil. And if you can find the red holy basil, it's going to be more fragrant and nice.
So we got like the heat, not only from the chili, but from the holy basils as well.
It smells good.
I think the holy basil really make the dish.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So hot and sour soup of freshwater
ปลาคัง
fish.
ต้มยำน้ำใสปลาคังใส่ใบกะเพราค่ะ